Hello, do you know that poor maintenance of your 3D filaments can impact your print quality? In this video, you will learn why filament maintenance is important and how to properly store your 3D filaments.
The most crucial aspect of filament maintenance is storage. So, why should you pay more attention to how you store your filaments? PLA, ABS, and PETG materials are the most used filaments for fusion deposition modeling 3D printers. Check out my videos on 3D printers and filaments to learn more about types of 3D printers and filaments. These filaments are hygroscopic, which means that they will absorb water molecules when exposed to humidity and moisture, which can impact your print quality and filament adhesion to the print bed. A spool of filament that is not stored correctly will collect dust, clog your print nozzle, and affect your print quality. You can store your unused spool of filaments in closed containers or an enclosed storage cabinet. You can also store your unused filaments in a vacuum storage bag to prevent dust accumulation and absorption of water molecules. Vacuum storage bags come in different sizes, which allows you to fit multiple spools in a bag. For optimal prevention against humidity, consider adding desiccant beads into the vacuum storage bag before you suck the air out of the bags. So, what is a desiccant? Desiccants are substances that have a high affinity for water molecules and help maintain the dryness of an object. Desiccant beads are often inside a desiccant packet. The packet is inexpensive and comes in different sizes. Another option is to store your unused filament spools on a rack. While this storage method is inexpensive, it can expose your filaments to dust and moisture. A dry box is another excellent option for filament storage. You can buy a Sovo SH01 filament dry box. Sovo SH01 is a drying and storage container and can dry your filaments up to 12 hours. It is designed to remove excess moisture from your filament while monitoring your filament's temperature and humidity. Sovo SH01 drying temperature ranges between 104 Fahrenheit and 122 Fahrenheit. It has an average price of $40 and can store up to 70 millimeters to 150 millimeter spools. Another storage and drying container is the Esun E-Box Light Filament Dryer. The average price of this storage container is $45. It can dry filament up to 18 hours and allows you to set the drying temperature up to 176 Fahrenheit. Polymaker Polybox Filament Storage Box costs $65 and offers features such as real-time filament humidity and temperature readings. You can construct a dry storage box if you want to avoid buying one. Check out this link on how to build a filament dry box. I hope you have learned how to store your filaments and why proper storage of your filaments is essential to your print quality. Thank you for watching.